How's it going, guys? Steven from Break Free Homestead. I'm sure you're here today because you are wondering how much room you need for 2 pigs in your freezer. So we're gonna go look at ours. We just slaughtered them. The bacon is not in there, so it's gonna be a little bit short. It's still brining. So this is gonna be a 12 cubic foot freezer, and if you put the bacon in where we have our turkey that we slaughtered last year, then it'd probably be about the same. So let's go check that out. This is gonna be a real quick video, so nothing special. If this information helps you out at all, please drop down below. Hit that like, subscribe button, alerts. We post 2 videos a week as we expand our homestead, and we'd love to have you break free with us. All right, guys, my lighting over here is kind of bad, so I'm trying to use my handy dandy flashlight to light this up for you guys. As you can see, this is a old school 12 cubic foot freezer. So we have the door pretty much lined with sausage, some ground sausage, breakfast sausage, and ribs, and then every shelf almost is filled right here. So there's a turkey and some vegetables down there. If you traded that out for bacon, it'd be just about full. So if you're slaughtering more than 2 pigs, you're probably gonna need a bigger freezer. You might need a bigger freezer, so. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you would, like I said, drop down below, hit that like, subscribe button. It really tells YouTube to show it to more people. That way we can help people out, okay?